Steps to obtain anodized products. The purpose of this film is to illustrate the steps required to obtain a quality anodized product, from the arrival of the raw material to quality control of the finished product and its packaging. The steps are as follows. Customer's request. Preparing the worksheet. Pre-treatments, chemical or mechanical finishing. Racking the pieces. Preparing the solutions. Performing the process. Unracking and quality control. Packaging. Customer's request. The window or curtain wall maker, following the architect's instructions, gathers the order for all of the aluminium material that will be an integral part of the construction. Facades, windows, sunscreens, etc. On the basis of the necessary quantity and market availability, the materials will be either purchased from a dealer or directly from the extruder. The material will then be brought to the anodizer. Preparing the worksheet. On the basis of the customer's request and the accompanying documents, a worksheet specifying the following data will be completed. Number of profiles, sheets or pieces with the relative references, including the size quotes. Sketches with reference to the visible sides and possible soldering areas. Finish requested. Color, type of pre-treatment, chemical or mechanical. Thickness of the layer, packaging system, and observations about every step of the process in order to fulfill the finishing request. Chemical or mechanical pre-treatment. Before being anodized, the surface of the aluminium may have lines caused by the extrusion process or scratching between the various pieces, or possible beginnings of corrosion if the material has remained for a long time in its original state without being anodized. Because these defects would be visible in the anodized product, the surface must undergo a chemical or mechanical pre-treatment to attain a better overall appearance. Etching. With this process, immersing the material in a generally alkaline solution, the appearance of the entire surface is improved and more homogeneous. Mechanical polishing. Depending on the appearance desired, the surface may be treated with various mechanical means, such as brushes, discs, Scotch-Brite, sisal, cotton, etc. Racking the pieces. Anodizing is an electrochemical process. Therefore, it is essential that the pieces make good contact with the support carrying the current. To guarantee uniformity of color, when racking the pieces, a tight contact must be ensured, while maintaining the correct distance between the pieces. The most frequently used methods for joining the pieces to the conductive support are aluminium wire, clamps, or rings. Preparing the solutions. At the beginning of every workday, the laboratory must control all of the parameters of the solutions, and all stages in the anodizing process must be constantly monitored. The parameters to monitor are concentration of the solutions, pH, temperatures, agitation of the solutions where necessary, filtering of the solutions where necessary, control of the electrical current. Particular care must be taken with the wastewater treatment plant to ensure that all of the elements fall within the limits imposed by environmental laws. Performing the process. When the mechanical pre-treatment process is complete and the pieces are mounted on the racks, the anodizing process that consists of the following steps begins. Chemical preparation of the surface. Degreasing. Various rinsing processes. Light etching, if mechanical brushing has taken place. Longer etching, if a matte brushing appearance is desired. Various rinsing processes. Neutralisation. Various rinsing processes. Anodic layer formation. Colouring. Sealing. Unracking and quality control. When the anodizing process is complete, it is necessary to verify that the finished product meets the customer's request. It is important to control the thickness of the anodic layer. The quality of the sealing. And finally, the general appearance and color tone. Packaging. After having verified that the materials meet the customer's request, the pieces are packed according to their shape, weight and other characteristics, with the goal of protecting the material during shipping to the final destination. Each anodized piece will be placed in its own package, occupying as little space as possible. In addition, to avoid the pieces scratching one another, if necessary, plastic separators may be used to separate each piece. In this way, the materials will arrive at their destination in perfect condition for the next process, that is the mechanical assembly of the windows and curtain wall modules and their subsequent placement in the construction.